Hello, everyone. I am Leo. Welcome to White Eagle. Ever wonder if your mind is still building pillow forts or already contemplating life's deepest mysteries? Let's find out your true mental age right here on White Eagle. Many people have an age for their body. This is your birth age. But your mind can have a different age. This is your mental age. Your mental age is about how you think. It is about how you feel. It is about how you see the world. It is not about how smart you are. It is not about how old your body is. It is about your inner self. Do you feel like a child inside? Do you feel like a wise old person? Today, we will find your mind's true age. We will do a fun quiz. This quiz has 10 questions. Each question has 5 choices. Each choice helps us find your mental age. Be honest. Choose what you feel is true for you. Keep your score. At the end, we will know your mental age. We will see what it means for you. Are you ready? Let's start. Here is question 1. You are inside. It is raining outside. What do you do? Option 1. You build a pillow fort. You watch cartoons. Option 2. You dance in the rain. You go outside. Option 3. You read a book. You write in a journal. Option 4. You drink tea. You clean your house. Option 5. You enjoy the quiet. You think about life. Question 2. You get a free day. You have no work. What do you do? Option 1. You play video games. You eat snacks all day. Option 2. You go on a trip by car. You explore new places. Option 3. You work on a project. You finish something new. Option 4. You organize your closet. You cook food for the week. Option 5. You meditate. You take a nap. You think about rest. Question 3. What is fun for you? Option 1. Jumping into a ball pit. Going to a theme park. Option 2. Doing new things. Singing karaoke. Skateboarding. Option 3. Sitting with friends. Talking deeply. Playing board games. Option 4. Working in the garden. Cooking a new meal. Option 5. Sitting alone, enjoying the quiet, watching the world. Question 4. Someone gives you a new hard gadget. What do you do? Option 1. You press all buttons. You see what happens? Option 2. You say, cool. You watch a video to learn. Option 3. You read part of the book. You try to use it. Option 4. You read the whole book. You mark important parts. Option 5. You think if this gadget is really important. Question 5. You are in a group. What do you usually do? Option 1. You get lost. You do your own thing. Option 2. You tell jokes. You make people happy. Option 3. You watch first. Then you share your thoughts. Option 4. You keep things neat. You keep people on topic. Option 5. You say wise things sometimes. We are halfway. You are doing great. Take a deep breath. Remember, this quiz helps you understand yourself. It is not a test. Let's continue. Question 6. You have a problem. What is your first reaction? Option 1. You cry or laugh. You ask for help. Option 2. You try it. You change as you go. You are confident. Option 3. You break it into small steps. You solve it. Option 4. You plan. You read. You get ready. Option 5. You think about it. You go away. Then you come back with ideas. Question 7. Your perfect home looks like... Option 1. A magical house in a tree. It has a slide. Option 2. A small house on wheels for many trips. Option 3. A city apartment with many plants. Soft lights. Option 4. A quiet house in the country. It has a fireplace. A big book room. Option 5. A very simple house with much sunlight. Question 8. How do you solve problems with friends or family? Option 1. You say sorry with snacks. You send funny pictures. Option 2. You talk loudly. You show all your feelings. Option 3. You listen. You think You share your feelings calmly. Option 4. You make rules. You give good ideas to solve it. Option 5. You accept people. You give them space. Question 9. What about rules? Option 1. Rules? What are rules? Option 2. I change them a little. It is fun. Option 3. I follow them. Mostly. Option 4. I need rules. They help me. Option 5. Rules are not forever. There is a deeper truth. Last question. Question 10. What do you wish people understood more? Option 1. Playing is still important. Option 2. Not everything needs to make sense now. Option 3. Feelings are as important as facts. Option 4. Being responsible is good. Option 5. Most things do not last forever. Okay, results time. Now, add all your points. See your total score. Match your score with the groups below. If you got 10 to 17 points, you are the young explorer. Your mental age is 5 to 12. You are creative. You are playful. Life is an adventure for you. You help others find joy in small things. But sometimes taking care of things feels hard. Your special power is you are very curious. You ask many questions. If you got 18 to 25 points, you are the vibrant dreamer. Your mental age is 13 to 19. You live by your strong feelings. You live by your passions. The world is like your painting. Even if it is a bit messy, your special power is you have big ideas. You are truly yourself. If you scored 26 to 33 points, you are the thoughtful realist. Your mental age is 20 to 30. You balance your dreams with what is real. You are growing. You are asking questions. You want to understand your place in the world. Your special power is you are aware of things. You have deep feelings. If you scored 34 to 41 points, you are the old soul. Your mental age is 31 to 45. You have a calm and thoughtful energy. People come to you for advice. They feel calm around you. Your special power is you have steady wisdom. You have much kindness. And if you scored 42 to 50 points, you are the timeless sage. Your mental age is 46 and more. You see life with deep thought. You look inside yourself. You are peaceful. You always look for a deeper meaning in things. Your special power is you see things from a wide view. You see beyond today. So, how old is your mind really? Was it younger than your body age? Was it older? Was it the same? What did you learn about yourself? Tell us your mental age in the comments. Also, tell us which question made you think the most. Let's celebrate all parts of ourselves. Our inner children, our wise older selves, and everything in between. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. So, what's your mind's true age? Share your results and your biggest takeaway in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to White Eagle for more engaging quizzes and insights.